welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to learn how to make this mini pouch.
So these pouches are really easy to make and are a quick project, and you can store your medicines, your keys, your USB cables, your earphones and a lot of stuff in them. For this you'll need a yarn of your choice. I am using 100% cotton yarn for this video, and a hook. I'm using a 4mm hook for this video. So to begin with, we are going to make a slip knot. If you don't know how to make a slip knot, or if you don't know how to make these basic stitches, I have a separate series for the same. I'll link it in the description box below. So once we are done making our slip knot, we are going to start chaining, and we are going to make a chain which is 4 inches long. So in my case, it is going to be 15 chains. Now while making chains, we have to keep this in mind that our chains should not be too tight and should neither be too loose. So once we have made a chain which is 4 inches long, we are now going to make a row of half double crochets. So for that we are going to chain 1, and we are going to skip that first chain and make our first half double crochet in that second chain from the hook. For that we are going to yarn over the hook, and we are going to insert a hook in the second chain from the hook and yarn over, pull through. Now we'll be left with 3 loops on a hook. We'll yarn over and pull through all the 3 loops. Now this is going to be our first half double crochet. Now we're going to repeat this in the next chain. We are going to yarn over the hook, insert a hook in the next chain, yarn over, pull through. Now we'll be left with 3 loops on a hook. We are going to yarn over and pull through all the 3 loops. We'll again do it in the next chain, yarn over the hook, insert a hook in the next chain, yarn over, pull through, and yarn over, pull through all the 3 loops. So this is how we are going to make a row of half double crochets. Now for our pouch, this is all we need. We are just going to make multiple rows of half double crochets. So I'm just going to fast forward this part for you, and I'll see you at the end of this row. So here we are at the end of our row, and we are going to make our last half double crochet. So once done, it should somewhat look like this. Now we'll move on to our second row. For that we are going to chain 1, and we are going to turn around our work. And now we are going to make a row of half double crochets in each of the stitches. So for that we are going to yarn over the hook, insert a hook in the very first stitch, yarn over, pull through. Then we'll be left with 3 loops on a hook. We are going to yarn over and pull through all the 3 loops. Now we're going to repeat this exact same thing in the next stitch. We're going to yarn over the hook, insert a hook in the next stitch, yarn over, pull through. We'll be left with 3 loops on a hook. We're going to yarn over and pull through all the 3 loops. Now we are just going to keep doing this in each of the stitches, and we are going to make a total of 26 rows of half double crochets. So once our second row of half double crochets is done, it should somewhat look like this. And now we are just going to continue doing this. We are going to make a total of 26 rows of half double crochets. So I'll just make my 26 rows in total and I'll see you once I'm done. So here I am done making all the 26 rows of half double crochets and it should somewhat look like this. So for making the pouch, we are going to fold our work that way, the flaps overlapping each other, and we are going to sew in both the ends of our project. Now the flaps should overlap each other by 1 centimeter at least. So here you can see we have folded our flaps and they are overlapping each other, and now we are just going to sew in both these ends, like both the sides, and that is just going to give us our pouch. We'll just start sewing in the ends like that with a needle. Both the ends should be properly closed and there should be no gaps. Now to hold this arrangement in place, I have just put a paper clip on one side so that while I'm sewing in, it doesn't move. Once done, our pouch should somewhat look like this.
Thanks for watching my video. If you do like my video, please give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Happy crocheting!